My name is Flip Floop, at least online. I am a web developer normally, JavaScript, TypeScript, HTML, CSS, all that stuff. Starting to learn Electron though, so it's kind of interesting. However, this is not for that. This is a video and probably a video series, hopefully, um, that will motivate me to finish and develop a game in Unity. Um, I've only done one Unity game before. It was a trash top-down shooter, but it was fun to make. I'm basically completely new to game development, and I want to learn how to do it. Mainly because of Donnie Dev, Flow Graphics, Brackeys, etc. All those wonderful people. And yeah, I mean, just using Unity, VS Code for the programming, and then for art creation, yes, I am a complete beginner. Just look at this Unity 2D make character jump. Um, I'm using GIMP for the asset creation. Of course, I will not click on it. There we go. So this is supposed to be some sort of ground. Right now I'm just prototyping, I guess. Um, and I mean, yeah, this will be some sort of adventure, I guess. I'm just trying to stay motivated long enough to actually complete this, because staying motivated for a project is really hard. And yeah, so if you guys want to join in on this video series and see my progress as I start as a basically complete beginner in Unity, then please be my guest. So yeah, that's about it. It's almost 11 p.m. on quarantine night, so let's try to make the most of it.